Every time we unlock our phone, use an app, browse a website, or make an online payment, we leave behind personal data. Our name, age, location, contacts, browsing habits, all of it becomes part of our digital identity. But the big question is, who controls this data? How is it being used? And most importantly, who protects it? To address these concerns, India enacted a major privacy law, the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023, commonly known as the DPDP Act. This law marks a turning point in how personal data is handled in India. At its core, the DPDP Act gives you greater control over your own information. It ensures that no company or organization can collect your personal data without your clear and specific consent. You must be informed about what data is being collected, why it's needed, and for how long it will be stored. In simple words, your data cannot be taken secretly anymore. Now let's talk about your rights under this law. The DPDP Act gives you 1. Right to access. You can ask any organization what data they have about you. 2. Right to correct. You can get inaccurate or outdated information updated. 3. Right to erase. You can request deletion of your data when it is no longer required. 4. Right to nominate. You can assign someone to manage your data if you are unable to. These rights put you in charge, not the companies. However, the Act also places responsibilities on individuals. You must provide accurate information, avoid misuse of your rights, and refrain from filing false complaints. It's a balanced law, protecting citizens while preventing misuse. Now, what about companies? Under the DPDP Act, every organization collecting personal data is called a data fiduciary. They must times collect only necessary data, times store it securely, times guard it against breaches, times inform you if your data is compromised, times delete it once the purpose is fulfilled. Some organizations, especially those handling sensitive or large-scale data, are labeled significant data fiduciaries. They must appoint a data protection officer, conduct audits, and follow stricter security measures. And if they fail? Penalties under this Act are extremely strict, going up to 250 crore rupees for major violations. This ensures companies finally take data privacy seriously. To supervise all of this, the law establishes the Data Protection Board of India. It will investigate breaches, enforce compliance, and impose penalties where necessary. In conclusion, the DPDP Act 2023 is a powerful step toward a safer digital India. It protects your fundamental right to privacy while supporting the nation's digital growth. Your data is your identity, and now the law stands firmly behind you. Your data, your control, your right.